Let's make a very easy and quick juice combination. A very nutritious carrot and apple juice. We will need 400 grams of carrots and 500 grams of apples. After washing thoroughly, remove some potential spots from the carrots and apples. No need to peel off the skin. Fresh homemade juices are always superior over store-bought juice boxes. There is no need to add sugar to it. Apples give the sweetness to the juice. It will take few minutes to make this. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in your serving glass. Add some juice to mix up the cinnamon. Add some ice. Now add the juice. Healthy and delicious juice is ready to serve. Pure, nutritious, and full of flavor. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.